Hello children, welcome to our AdQuark YouTube channel. The next topic which we are going to revise is nouns. It is chapter 4, class 5, subject English grammar. We are having the book PC Wren's grammar and it is our lecture 1 for revision of nouns. Okay, first of all we will do definition. So the definition is a noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing or an abstract idea. Okay, so a noun can be a man, a girl, ant, a tiger, temple, happiness, ball, etc. Okay, so person, place, animal, thing or ideas are called noun. Next we will study in this chapter types of nouns. Okay, so let's see how many types of nouns are there. There are children 5 types of noun: common, proper, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Okay, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. But in your syllabus there are only 4. Material noun is not there in your book. Okay, first of all we will study common nouns. Definition: a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Okay, common noun is a name given in common to every person, like man, girl, woman, town, country, boy. Okay, here are examples like hairspray, car, knife, cheese, pear, bread, mango, chair, elephant. Okay, without specifying anything, only these are names given to these things. Now we will come to proper noun. Okay, proper nouns. Definition: a proper noun is a special name given to a particular person, animal, thing or place. Okay, as Irfan, Bosco, Pacific, the Bible, Mr. Ram, Africa. These are the names given to these particular things. Okay, for one particular thing. These are the examples like GS, Jupiter, Titanic, the Bible, Taj Mahal. Okay, Santa Claus, King Charles. Next will be abstract nouns. Definition: abstract nouns express state, idea, concepts, feeling or qualities that cannot be seen or touched but can be felt and experienced. Okay, these are state, ideas, concept, qualities, etc. State. Okay, state of consciousness, state of hope, state of humor, state of childhood, state of maturity, motherhood, manhood. All these are states. Qualities: beauty, bravery, charity, confidence, patience, goodness, humility, honesty, intelligence, wisdom. Feelings: feeling of hatred, feeling of love, feeling of loyalty, feeling of honor, jealousy, feeling of kindness. Okay, so abstract nouns are state, quality or feelings like wisdom, anger and bravery. All these are abstract nouns. Next is your, or we can say last is your collective nouns. The definition: collective noun is the name of a collection of persons, things and animals taken together and spoken as a whole, as crowd, jury, bunch, herd, army, litter. Okay, it is a collection of animals, things, persons. Now here are few examples of collective nouns: swarm of bees, army of soldiers, school of whales, colony of ants, pride of lions, shoal of fish, constellations of star, pod of dolphins. These words like pride, swam, colony, shoal, constellation and pod, these are the collective nouns used for these groups. Okay children, now we are going to do exercise 1. Read the following passage about Dr. Dolittle, the famous animal doctor. Underline the nouns in the passage, then put them in the appropriate columns in the table given below. ठीक है, हमें पैसेज पढ़ना है about famous Dr. Dolittle and we have to underline the nouns and then we have to put them in appropriate columns. Many years ago, there lived a doctor in a little town called Puddleby on the Marsh. ठीक है, we have to underline years, doctor, town and name of the town. Okay, Puddleby on the Marsh. His name, okay, underline name here, was Dr. John Dolittle. All the people in the town knew him, for he was very good at curing people. Okay, underline Dr. John Dolittle, people, town, people. However, the only problem was that he liked animals more than people. Underline problem, animals, people. Dr. Dolittle had small house with a large garden. In his garden, he kept all sorts of pets. Underline Dr. Dolittle, house, garden, pets. Of course, all his pets would find their way into the house. Way, house. So there were goldfish in the pond, rabbits in his pantry, white mice in his piano, a squirrel in his closet, and a hedgehog in his cellar. He even had a cow and an old lame horse. Okay, in this underline goldfish, pond, rabbits, pantry, mice, piano, squirrel, closet, hedgehog, cellar, cow and horse. Okay, underline all these. However, his favorite pets were Dab Dab the duck, Jip the dog, Polynesia the parrot and Tutu the owl. His sister Sarah Dolittle, who lived with him and looked after the house, was quite aspirated. John, she complained, these pets of yours make the house smelly and dirty. Dab Dab, duck, Jip, dog, Polynesia, parrot, Tutu, owl, sister, Sarah, Dolittle, house, John, house. Okay, underline all these. Now, common nouns are, in this common nouns are years, doctor, town, name, people, problem, animals, house, garden, pets, way, goldfish, pond, rabbits, pantry, mice, piano, squirrel, closet, hedgehog, cellar, cow, horse, duck, dog, parrot, owl, sister. All these you have to write in common nouns. Proper nouns. Puddleby on the Marsh, it was name of the town. Dr. Dolittle, name of the doctor. Dab Dab, name of the duck. Jip, the dog. Polynesia, Tutu and Sarah Dolittle, name of the sister of doctor. Okay? Children, there are no collective nouns and no abstract nouns, so I have removed the columns. Now exercise 2, children. Okay, form abstract noun from the following common nouns. Use the suffixes alongside with some changes in the spelling. Now हम लोग कॉमन नाउन से एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन बनाएंगे, ठीक है। सो चाइल्ड, एडल्ट, किंग, स्लेव, यू हैव टू एड हुड, डोम और RY. Okay, then we will add hood with child. It will become childhood. Adult, adulthood. King, add dom, DOM, dom. It will become kingdom. Okay, add DOM, it will become kingdom. Slave, add RY, it will become slavery. Okay. Exercise 3. Form abstract nouns from the following adjectives. DOM, NESS, RY, TY. Okay. Brave will become bravery. Kind will become kindness. Free will become freedom. Real will become reality. Exercise 4. Now you have to make abstract nouns from verbs. Children, we can make abstract nouns from 3 things. One is common noun. Common noun से abstract nouns. Second is from adjectives to abstract nouns. Third is from verb to abstract noun. Okay. Agree, treat, pay, grow. You have to add ment and th. Okay. Agree, meant. Treat, meant. Pay, meant. Grow, growth. Okay, like this you have to make abstract noun from verbs. Now, here is an incomplete passage. Write appropriate collective nouns in the blanks and complete it. You may choose words from the given box. One passage is given to you, children, which is not complete. Okay, and collective nouns are given in the box. You have to complete the passage using the collective nouns. So let's see which collective nouns are there. Flock, groove, herd, team, brood, range and clump. Okay, these are the collective nouns which we have to fill in the passage. So let's see the passage. This is Raju's farm. Beyond the farm we can see a dash of mountains. You will fill here range. Okay, beyond the cloud we can see range of mountains. There is a flock of birds flying in the sky. In next fill flock. Raju's son Uttam is bringing his herd of cows back from the pasture in the mountains. Next will be herd. A herd of sheep is grazing at the foot of the mountain. Near the barn there is a hen with her brood of chickens. Near the grove of trees Raju's brother is selling mangoes. Okay, पेड़ों के झुंड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रूव. He brought the mangoes. He bought the mangoes from the mango clump. At the foot of the mountain, Raju is plowing the field with a team of oxen. Okay. Now children, at last I would like to give you homework. Okay, you have to revise chapter 4 nouns properly. Okay, all the things, all the exercises and everything, definitions you have to learn properly. Okay, now I would like to request to subscribe our AdQuark YouTube channel and like and share our videos. Okay children, I hope you are enjoying your learning at home and you are enjoying your revision. Soon your exams will start. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.